learned about software testing from another gentleman named Greg Plasher, who had a QA program, and basically took his ebook and his classes. And also I worked with someone who specialized in QA coaching for interviews, and from there it was kind of history. So I don't know, I can dive into that some more, but no, that's great. So when so how did you make that transition from doing all of the like automation, social media marketing, all of that stuff into QA? Like you went through their program and you learned, but like how did you actually make that transition? Right. So I went through a period right before COVID where it got to a point where I was just tired of being a Facebook ads manager. You know, I've been behind the scenes of 6 and 7 figure brands, and it got to a point where me working on someone's Facebook ads for only 40K, 50K was not enough when you see a company making millions. Yeah. And you can help them balance and scale their ads. So it's kind of like, if I can do this for someone else, I can do this for myself, but I just didn't have that idea of what it was. And so, I just, I was okay with going back into the job market. So I ended up going back into the job market, and I worked for Kartra, which is actually what my company is built upon. Wow. And I actually was a technical support agent for Kartra for 4 years. Okay. And I leveraged that experience, and because from my experience, I feel that we're all software testers. So I leveraged my experience of actually working on that SaaS application, and I made my pivot into tech. So I basically took my transferable skills from Kartra and being in that SaaS environment, that application, that program, and then I learned new QA skills, and I positioned in the market to show that I can do the job.